Ako na.
You know, mic holder si Jusa.
No, ayan.
Cassini Granados, Miss Grand International All-Star!
Grabe, prepared na siya. I feel like Martin ready na itong ipadala.
Wow! Nagulat ako ha? Kami ko to sa aeroplano kanina, hindi ko alam magpapasabog dito. Okay, thank you Cassini. Okay, before we let you go and you move on to your seat there on the judges table, what's your advice to the candidates here? Para niya may natanong ako na tungkol sa album na mahirap. What's your advice to our candidate this evening?
Ang advice ng Jugnaco is to enjoy the moment because the judges will see the genuinity and happiness that you have. If you imbibe it, you radiate it towards one another and cherish everything because this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. If you enjoy it, you will learn a lesson of a lifetime.
Wow, thank you, Mrs. Zini Granados.
Thank you so much. Learning a lesson of a lifetime. Coming straight from Miss
Ay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss Cassini, for that.